Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, everyone. Everyone
Walaikum
listen to
salam,
me?
sir.
Yes.
Walaikum
Sorry for that because I
Walaikum.
started the old link. So I'm waiting for that one. So I didn't see this ID will change. So that is the reason. Okay. Hello. Yes. Now everybody is listening, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Without
yes,
wasting
sir.
the time. So we'll start. So yesterday we stopped in group policy, right?
Yes, sir.
Local group policy, right?
Yeah, sir.
So any people, anyone can try that one yesterday. There check. Anybody is check. Usman, Mr. Usman is there? Usman
Yes, sir.
Ali.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm there.
Yes. Tariq. Amjad, Mr.
Yes,
Amjad.
sir. Present.
Tariq. Tahir. Riaz.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Anybody did the practice yesterday? At least they are anybody open? Try to open GP edit. They are use the command gpedit.msc.
Sir.
I'm asking to everybody, everyone.
Yeah, sir, does this support in Windows 10?
Did you try?
No, sir. I don't have PC, so I was asking.
Okay. So if Windows 10 Pro is supported,
Oh,
is
only
Windows,
Windows.
yes. I told you yesterday we discussed about this one, right? Professional, corporate level, client,
And Ultimate.
corporate. So that time, yes, Windows 7, Windows Ultimate, same like that, Windows 10 professional or support. Okay.
Okay.
So you can find only that one, that operating system, desktop operating system. So yesterday we discussed about that one, same like that. So now you are able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we are able to see, sir.
Yes. So run command gp edit.msc. Stand for gp edit.msc. Amjad, Mr. Amjad. Can you say?
Yes, sir.
gp edit.msc.
MSc Microsoft Console, sir.
Before that, gp edit.
gpedit.msc. Yes, sir. Enter. Okay.
Yeah. Elaborate this one. GP. What does that mean by GP?
GP means group policy, sir.
Group policy editor.
Policy,
Edit. Yes. Group policy
policy
edit.
is a collection of settings, sir.
Yes. It's a collection of settings which is applied to users and computers, right? Apply.
Yes,
Apply users.
Yes,
Same like the security. Okay. Your father is apply. One rule for daughters, one rule for sons,
Sons.
right?
Yes,
Yeah. Sons can come 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Okay. Because I'm telling the early. So nowadays, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, sometimes some people are after the Fajr. Okay.
No, not like that, sir. In our home,
No,
only
that's
9
I'm telling.
o'clock.
Not your home, but commonly,
Um,
I'm telling. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Not
Okay.
60%. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So
Yes,
that
sir.
is the rule. Okay. 10 o'clock, door should be locked. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got the point. This
Yes.
is for home purpose. Okay. And the restriction, okay, 10 o'clock because you have friends all day. Okay, you can come 10:15. Okay, doesn't matter. That is the user. Okay, one apply for user, one apply for system. But in the system, when applied on the system, so multiple user can't use that facility. Okay, so no one can open the control panel. So maximum policy in the corporate level, in company level, they apply on user level. Okay. If you're going to the network, so maximum IP or devices, users and IP addresses. Okay, apply the policies. Clear? Now, group policy. Yesterday we seen control how to hide the control panel, right?
Yes, sir. User.
Yes. So here two things is computer configuration, user configuration, right? So we are apply the administrative template. Yes, administrative template. Okay, got the point. So here control panel we are selected and prohibited access to the control panel. Here multiple option. if I going to explain the each and operation, so 20 whatever days only is take only 15 days it take only for group policy. Okay. So
Okay.
just I'm giving the idea what is purpose and what you can do. Okay. So I'm not going to show each and everything, right?
Yeah, sir.
So what is the purpose of the group policy and how to enable? That's it. And after that, you can learn and you can practice and you can see and do that one. Okay. More information, more things. Okay. Same like that. See here, start menu. For example, this start menu. And so I open the run command, right? Are you able to see?
Yeah, sir. Yes,
Run
sir.
command, run
Yes,
command.
sir.
So maximum company is had the run command because with the help of run command, we can execute the multiple commands, more commands, right? Some command is delete, some command is format the information. So many things happen. So people are disable this run command. Okay. So you can disable each and every system one by one or from the group, from the server also. Okay. So how you can disable and stop start menu? So administrative template and start menu and taskbar. So here, when I click start, how many things is available? Everything is here. So in that, I need to select remove run menu from start menu. All people are saying?
Yes, sir. Yes,
I
sir.
select.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Anyone
sir.
can
Yes, sir.
read
We
this
are able
one?
to see.
Which one I selected?
Remove run menu
Remove
from the
from
start
start
of.
menu.
Yes, remove run menu. After that,
Remove run menu.
not configure. Not configure means not configure means that is the operating system default behavior, right?
Yes, sir.
Default behavior means everyone can access open. So when I open or right click edit or double click and open, so enable, apply, okay. So I'm trying to again open run command. So it's give the error. This operation has been cancelled due to the restrictions as affected on. Please contact to your administrator. Now, Usman, I want to get back. How I can get back?
So
Suppose I delete.
we have to get.
Yes,
Yes, we
I
have to
delete.
get back with the same procedure. Like how we have
Okay. Run command. Open the run command.
disabled it.
Yes, open the run command. But how I
Then
can
same
open the
case.
run command? When I open the run command, is give the error.
Yes, yes. Oh. Yes, sir. Run we have disabled just now.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes. How I can? So run command. Anybody? Amjad, Riaz. Okay, Taqir.
From control panel, sir.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Please instruct me. I will follow you. May I know your name?
Amjad, sir.
Amjad. Yes, Amjad. Control panel. Okay, I entered the control panel. Okay, right. After that,
Here we can search group policies are in search.
group policy I need to search. Okay. Group policy. G. No. I cannot find the group policy. Are you able to see here anything? Anybody?
No, sir.
Anybody seen that option? Group policy?
Administrator tool, sir.
Okay, right. Administer tools.
Maybe.
Okay. And here, local security policy.
Yes, sir. Maybe.
See here. Mr. Amjad.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. After that, local policy, user right assignment, where I can go. Yes. Anybody? But here there is no option, right? In the
Yeah.
control panel. Yes, Mr. Amjad said in control administrative tools. Okay, administrative tools I open, but there is no any option. Okay, group policy and local security policy is there, but I open, so totally different, right?
Yes, sir. It
Yes.
was totally.
Yes. So that time, so open run command is not possible. So start all program, accessories, and command prompt. In command prompt, gp edit.msc. Okay. So
Okay,
whatever
okay, sir.
command you are using in run command, you can same command you can execute in from command base. Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Keep
I
it
got
mind. Keep it mind.
Yeah.
Sometime is hide the run command, so means you doesn't get the run. So don't bother about that. Whatever command is execute in run command, so you same thing, same command you can execute or you can use in command base, command prompt. You can say the command prompt. Okay. So here I type in the gpedit.msc, right? So here administrator tool, start menu and taskbar, just remove run menu from start menu, double click, not configure, right? Apply, okay, clear.
Yes,
Now
sir.
see here,
Yes, sir.
check it, open run command, yes, is open, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir. Now we can.
Understand?
Yes, sir. I understand.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
If you doesn't find, so you can go like this, okay, clear? All right.
Yes, sir.
So
Got
now, because I'm showing in the real time, you can find this one, okay? So that is the reason I'm showing. And rest of the things you can see and you can check, you can practice, okay?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay,
You are
good.
showing the main important thing. So
Yes, yes. So
more on command we can run from another command. So,
yes. So pen drive disable. So go to the administrator template and system and see here storage,
removable storage.
removable
System
storage.
removable storage.
So here you can select this one. All removable storage classes deny all access.
Oh.
Okay, but here previous we had the control panel, we had the run command, we had the desktop icons, whatever we are hide the my computer partition also, okay, but
Yes.
that is affected to immediately.
Yeah.
That's affected to on your system is immediately, but this is not affected immediately. You have to refresh policy.
Oh.
Because what I said, that is the by default behavior of the operating system. When you connect the any pen drive, any external drive, immediately operating system it will show, okay, you can open, but you are changed the by default behavior, so that time you need to refresh. Refresh means restart or log off and log on, right?
Yes, sir.
Usman?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Everybody is here?
We are
Yes, sir.
with you.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear? So that time we need to refresh till XP we need to restart or we need to log off or log on. So that
We
is
need to restart, sir. After
restart
this
in XP till XP operating system.
Okay, okay.
So when you change in the group policy, you have to restart or either you have to log off and log on.
Okay, okay.
But
okay,
do you think is good? Okay,
No, sir.
home purpose is no problem, right? But in corporate level, so many things is open, so many people are working, okay? So that is the reason is not work, okay? So that is the reason in Windows 7, they launched one command, so that is gp update. So this command is update the policy. So no need to restart or no need to log off. Just single command you can use.
GP
Update.
update. Okay.
GP update. So with the help of GP update command, we can refresh and update the policy, whatever your changes. Okay,
Okay, sir.
clear? So this is the pen drive, for pen drive, how to. And so one by one you can go and check it and read it. At least do no need to do this one. So just at least you can check. Okay,
Yes, sir.
system Windows components. So you can find the, all these things. Windows. See here, what I select. Anyone can read this one?
Hide the specific drive in my computer.
Right. So what does mean that?
Means drives are like local disk.
CDE.
Yes.
Yes. So this, so particular drive I can
Yes, sir, drives.
hide. So if I see here, pick up the following the combination. So here invisible. When I select, so option will come, right? Stick all drive A, B, C, D, E, or whatever. Understand?
Yeah, sir. Yes, I got it.
Clear? Not
Yeah.
configure means disappear. Okay. When you select, all option is up here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So like that particular
We can
partition
hide.
also, yeah, particular
Yeah, sir.
partition also. From where? So Windows, see, same thing. Windows template, Windows components, and Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer, and maybe in Windows 10, maybe Windows files. The option is Windows file. Here the option is written here Windows Explorer, or somewhere Windows file. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
if you doesn't find Windows Explorer, so select Windows file and check it, this option, hide this specified drive in my computer. Okay, clear?
Okay. Okay, sir. Clear.
Just open it, select enable and apply, and okay, clear?
Clear, sir.
These things. And next, I will show you in the server when we discuss in group policy management in the server level. So that time I will show. For example, because you are not working, anyone cannot work in 3 shifts, right? Or 2 shifts, day and night, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
every time the people are going to be changed, right? The administrator, morning shift, evening shift. So sometime you are come and you doesn't find, or you can't able to open anything. Now you get the idea, okay, somewhere something is happened, right? So but you don't know the option from where you need to go and check it, or where you need to go and disable, means enable or disable, not configure. You have to do that one. Okay, so that time how to find out, so we will discuss in group policy management. Okay, so directly you can see, okay, RSOP, that is called resultant set of the policy, we can say. rsop.msc. So with the help of, say, when I type this command, so it will show the command. For example, just write out, I will show you. This is the local, I will show you. GP edit. Everybody's seen? Everybody watching
Yes.
my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are able to watch.
So see here, suppose control panel, I had control prohibited to access to the control panel, enable. So apply and okay. So I doesn't find the control panel, right? Now it's closed. Now next day I came, someone is done. Okay, someone is done, your friend is done, whatever. I don't know. But when I try to open the control panel, I can't open. See, giving the prompt. So, but I don't know from where I need to go and bring back my control panel. Miss, I need to select. But I know something is happened in the group policy, but I don't know the steps from where they disable my control panel. Got the idea? Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is the reason I want to know exactly location from where they disable my policy. So that is the reason I need to use RSOP, resultant set of policy dot MSC. MSC stand for Microsoft Console. Okay. Resultant set of policy. Okay. So when I type, so previous you've seen the only 2 options. Now 3 options, right? Hello, everybody. Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We are with
So
you.
Yes, sir.
yes, yes. So when
Yes,
I give the answer, when I expand the administrative template, so how many option is available? More than 1 or only 1, 2? Listen, again, I repeat my question. When I expand the administrative template, so how many option I will get under the administrative template? 1 or more than 1?
More than
More than 1?
yes, sir.
More than 1. Everybody? Yes, more than 1, right? More than 1. Now I expand. See here. How many option you
One
are able to
option.
see?
1.
Only one control panel.
Which one? Control panel.
Oh, okay, got it, sir. That
When I
because of
select the
result,
control panel, how many options?
yeah, one option, sir.
Previous multiple options, right? Had the
Yes, sir.
control be specific, but here only prohibit access to the control panel and is
Only one option
enable
which is
and
changed.
is selected enable. Enable means apply. But I open from here. I want to do, but I can't. I can't change the policy.
Yeah.
So means RSOP means with the help of RSOP only you can check which policy apply on your computer.
Yes, sir. We can only check the result.
Yes, that's it. And you want to change, so again you have to go GP edit
GPedit.msc
.msc administrative
GPedit
template
templates
control
panel,
select control panel and
standard.
not configure, apply. Okay. Now again once more can run this command RSOP. See here, anything is there, administrative template is also is not available.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because
Not
there is no
normal,
policy
sir.
apply on, right?
Yes, sir.
Understand? So that is the reason it's not showing.
Okay,
Clear?
default.
Clear?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So now this is the local group. This is the local group policy. Right. So now understand. So why we are using the client operating system in server-based model and why we are using corporate client-based operating system, not home-based operating system.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Because ultimate and professional have multi extra features.
Yes, corporate
Home-based.
level features for security purpose, for manage.
For managed privacy, security purpose. Any other.
Yes. So that purpose we are using the client operating system, right? So if interview they will ask, I have server based domain model, but I want to use Windows 7 Home Edition. Can I use?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Why? Because this is operating system or this is operating system. Yes. And second thing, my computer properties, click on, when you see here, hello,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Continue.
because someone is asking, they were talking with me or,
No, sir. I think someone else with someone else.
yes, I'm getting confused. They're asking to someone and try to ask
Yeah,
something.
keep,
Okay.
keep on the mute. Others can keep on the mute when asking the question. You can unmute yourself.
Okay.
Others can be on the mute.
Okay.
Yeah. Faraz Khan. I saw this.
Work group.
No,
See
no,
here,
that
when you find the work group model, right? Are you
Yeah,
able to
yeah.
see? Yes, work group.
Yeah.
So first thing, when you get the work group model, when you install the operating system, any operating system, even server operating system, even desktop operating system, whatever operating system you install, Windows operating system, by default is work group model. Work group. Work group model nothing but peer-to-peer network,
Got it, sir. Work group.
right? Peer-to-peer network or work group model. By default, all are work group model. So we have to change in domain model. How to change, we will discuss and we will see the lab, everything. Okay, it doesn't matter for that one.
Okay,
So
sir.
this is the by default work group. If you take the home edition, if you take the premier edition, you doesn't find this option also. This option, change settings here. When I click change in setting, so see here, change, rename the computer or change the domain into the work group model. So I can change domain model to work group model to domain model. Clear, everybody? Or everybody have the doubt?
Yes.
sir domain model में क्या है ये?
Domain model. So previous last two before two classes we will discuss domain model. Domain model and is nothing but server based model.
Okay.
Server based model. Domain model is called centralized administrator model. Domain model means domain. We will discuss in Active Directory. We will discuss domain. What is the domain? What is the forest? Okay. So domain model means nothing but server based. We are already discussed server based model. Okay. One server, वहां पर एक सर्वर रहेगा, बाकी के पूरे clients रहेंगे, ठीक है? So you are going to control from the server to the all clients, right? So that is the domain model. That is the server based model. Work group model, there is no any server, there is no any centralized database administrator, there is no any centralized application software. Okay, every server is a client as a server as a client, right? But domain model, server is completely one server and the rest of the system is a client. Clear?
Okay, sir.
What is, may I know your name?
Sheikh Hussain, sir.
Sheikh Hussain. So this is the your first class or you are attended from beginning?
Beginning, sir.
Beginning. Okay. So that understand
Yes, sir.
domain model?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is a domain model. So you can change from here. So by default, when you install the operating system, that by default is a work group model. Okay. So why I'm going to tell you, because you get the concept. Because first, if you go to the company, when the interview, in interview, some people like that. Okay, please, you know the domain model, work group model. Please, can you join this client, this system to in domain server? So when you finish this course, it's become a very simple, very easy to join for you, inshallah. So that time, so you're thinking you are going to join, you're trying, but this option is not available. So that time you get the confused. Okay, why is not option? So first check the operating system, which operating system is this one, that one. Okay, and tell that sorry, this system cannot, I can't join in that domain because this is the home edition or premier edition, so I can't join it because it doesn't support. Okay, clear?
Okay, sir.
So
Okay.
work group model, does it mean by work group model? I got it, the domain model, but I have a confusion through work group model.
Work group model is act as a client at as a server. Same like that in America behavior, right? So there is no rule of parents, though they are not control, parents can't control on the kids, right? Everybody is a live separate life, right?
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir. After 18,
Okay.
they leave their life.
Nothing, nobody care of that light, right? After 18
Yes,
years,
sir.
15 years, so okay. So no restrictions, no, like anytime you can come, go and do it. There is no any going to control to them, right? But
Yes,
here in India, environment, not like that, right? Even your father is outside in the country also, so that time also he can control,
Yes,
right?
yes.
From there, okay, any country, right?
Yes, sir.
So someone domain is control means centralized, right?
Yes.
So centralized is a domain based. Domain means someone is controlling the whole across the globe wherever he want, but is going to
So
under that
what
person or that's
what
the
does
domain.
the work of work group now?
Work
What
group
does
is
the work of
work group, small
work
company.
group?
Small company, no, you know, no need the security. Okay,
For
Okay,
single
we are
user.
working for
For,
freelancer,
yeah.
just like a freelancer.
Freelancer, so small company, small business purpose, 20 to 30 system, right? So no insecurity, and you don't want to administrator also, administrator software also. You want to buy the administrator software is 25,000, 30,000 rupees. You don't want to waste the money for administer particular software. Okay, so that time you can use the group also. Okay, clear?
Okay. Okay, clear.
Yeah. So this is the, and second thing, to install the operating system. To install the operating system, you required, okay, you required the something. What the requirement to install the operating system? So nowadays, I'm talking about that nowadays. Before is very difficult, and you need to know. But nowadays, the physical structure is come. You can install the operating system. Any system, right? Because minimum is required the 2 GB of RAM, right? Minimum required the here 20 GB of hard disk, okay? Oh, free space of 20 GB. So it doesn't matter physically. So how, what is the requirement? Okay, clear? So you can install the server operating system any, but minimum 2 GB of RAM. Okay, but based on the requirement, this is the installation. I'm telling about the installation, not for company work and company configure server. Okay, installation is different. For configure the server for company corporate, that is a different. Got the point?
No, sir,
Hello,
I don't get
everyone.
it. No, I don't get it.
Yeah.
Uh,
Who this guy?
me.
Yes, me means what? Your name?
Yeah, Faraz.
Faraz.
I mean,
Yes, Faraz.
yes.
So installation is different, and installing for company is different. For example, you want to only installation for your practice purpose. You want to install, right? After installing, you are need to remove. Next day you are going to remove, and you installing again another operating system, right? So that purpose, server operating system to you want to install. So that is requirement. 2 GB is enough to install. To install, after that remove.
Yes.
Understand? 20 GB hard disk free space is enough to install and remove, to make a practice, right?
Yes.
But if you want to install the operating system incorporate in the company, so that time requirement is different. Okay, so that is not
Yes,
enough.
yes.
1 GB, 2 GB, 20 GB, right? So based on the company requirement, so you need to take the physical server, okay, and install. Okay, different
Okay.
how many users, how many people, how many computers, how many peripheral, how many resources you are attached, okay, under that server. Okay, so how many service is the server is providing, right? How many application
Okay,
you are
sir. I
going to
got it.
install, right? How many application you are going to install, how many people are going to access that applications, right? How many third party tools you are going to install. So that is a necessary thing. So you need to take care of all these things, and then you can select and you can install the operating system. Okay, clear?
Yes.
You got the point?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, I
don't
got it.
think in the company you are going, oh, sir said tell only 2 GB enough. So one person, if you go to that interview and it said, I have the one branch office, I need to configure the one server. So what are the configuration? Don't say like that. Okay, 2 GB is enough. For you want the installation, or you want to configure the complete one branch or complete one department purpose, right? So installation is different. To configure this particular server installation, that is different. Okay, that installation is different. The practice purpose installation is different. Okay.
Sir, configurations, it means that customize
Hmm.
the informations.
Hmm.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Clear.
All right. So installation operating system. So I will do the lab inshallah maybe Monday or Tuesday. So how to install, and same way I will show you the Active Directory also, how to install the Active Directory. Okay, because it's take the 2 days, means I install only 1 day, and second day Active Directory installation to it's take the long time, right? So we need to do the best. So means immediately understand. So next day is maybe people something forget, you not remember that one. So I want to show each both things, installation and Active Directory installation. Okay, clear? So now, how many people know the physical server? What's mean by physical server?
Sir, physical
Sir,
server.
physical server means storage, hard disk, RAM. That's the physical rack server, blade server, that type of physical server.
MashaAllah. Very good. You can see and you can touch the physical server, right?
Yes.
Whatever you are
And
said, everything you can see and you can touch, right? Physical server.
On-prem, sir. It is on-prem is physical server.
Yes, physical server, right? Okay. Virtual server.
Virtual server, we can only feel that what is the resources and all. We need to give the specification on the virtual side.
Yes.
In application based.
Yes, it's nothing but software. Okay. The server is there, operating system is there, but
It's on
it's
the
software.
cloud.
Yes, software based, but is a software. Software, but is a physical thing. Is act as a physical thing, but is a software.
Yes. But sir, I have a doubt for virtual servers. So is it the right time to ask the question, or later on we can ask?
Yeah, yes, and you can go ahead.
So in virtual servers, how can we differentiate or add and delete the resources? How we need to configure? That is the thing. So is it a right time for the configuration, or we'll go ahead after some
No,
some classes?
after I will show the practical in the virtual. Okay, it doesn't matter. So that time I will explain.
Okay.
No need to explain. And when I teach and when I see the lab, so automatically you can understand. Your doubt is because when I show you lab, you can understand. Okay, your doubt will be clear that time. Got the point? Okay, right. So physical server, you can see and you can touch. Okay, virtual server is nothing but software, but is act as a physical server. Okay, got the point. So that time we will going to be lab. So that time I will explain you virtual, how to configure the virtual server, how is, okay. So what is the, how is became virtual server. Okay. So virtual server, we can configure on bare metals. Okay. So, but physical server, we have multiple types. Okay. In physicals, we can say rack when you fix in the rack also. Hello, everybody. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. We are with you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So we can, so multiple physical servers or virtual server also, and we can install and we can see how to install. So how many people know installation of Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows 10? How many people know?
Sir,
And how many
we
people
have seen
install?
Yes, sir, we know.
the desktop
Yes, sir,
installation, but
last,
server
last
installation we
Sunday-
have not seen.
No, I'm talking about the only desktop operating system.
Yeah, desktop we have done, sir. Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. I have
sir.
done, sir.
We have one.
Everyone or
particular
someone?
class-
Only few.
Yes, sir. Last Saturday, not this Saturday, last
Sir,
Saturday, they have
practical
shown
last
us
Sunday.
Windows 7 and Windows 10, how to install.
Okay,
servers.
mashallah, very good.
In
So no,
practical.
yeah, practical with practical. Okay, that is good. Okay. Windows 7 and Windows 7. Okay, no problem. But at least you have the idea how to install. Okay, right? So we will see how to install the Windows operating system. Okay, inshallah, in the first lab. Okay, and second thing, already that time we will discuss also different between 2003, 2008, 2012, and so already we will discuss slightly. Okay, Windows 2003, Windows 2008 already little bit, but the major difference in 2008 and 2012, that is the virtualization. That is a virtualization Hyper-V, that is called in Windows Hyper-V. Okay, so when we discuss about the virtualization, so that time I will explain you. Okay, so because some people doesn't know about the virtualization and how that technology of the virtualization, so that time if I explain, so is going to be confused. Okay, so confused and not to make sense. Okay, so that time I will basically I will explain, okay, what is the virtualization, how it will be work, and we will see if have that time. So that time we will discuss background, what are the files is working on the behind. Okay, because it's software means some file is working, everything is file, but more things. Okay, so how we can configure the virtual server, obviously I will show you how to configure the virtual server, how to install the operating system in that one. Okay, so same that time we will discuss 2008 means what are the Hyper-V, what is the virtualization. Okay, so 2008 and 2012 is big difference. Okay, so second thing in PowerShell, they introduced the PowerShell. So PowerShell is nothing but core server. How many people have the idea about the Linux operating system?
So Linux has mostly command line, right?
Yes. So
GUI
yes,
doesn't.
before 2008, Windows also have only GUI based graphical user interface. So Windows operating system doesn't have any command line server. So that time in 2008, Windows is launched core server, that is called Windows Core Server 2008 core, CORE, core server. So core server is completely command based, same like a Linux. Okay, so same like that Linux is launched, but that time only 200 commands is available, only 200. How many?
200. 200.
Only 200 command, but is upgrade in 2012 is 2000 command. Got the point? How much is different? 200 and 2000.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in 2016 is launched completely supported cloud-based storage. Okay, that is the necessary. So major, because administrator course is much more and better till 2012, because Microsoft is recommended those people want to learn 2016, so must they learn and must they have the idea about 2012 at least. If 2008 2000 means experienced people is there, well and good, but at the fresher, they don't know anything and they want to directly learn 2016. So Microsoft also recommended, so first go and learn 2012 administration, server administration, and then come to the 16. Okay, new added feature cloud. So if you want to learn directly 2016, so you have the knowledge about the system administrator, and you have the knowledge about the virtualization, and you have the knowledge about the storage. These three things, at least minimum basic level, you have the knowledge, so that time you can go to the 2016 directly. Okay,
Okay, sir.
got the point? And administrator level, whatever we are going to learn, so same thing we can do in 2012 and 2016 also we can do, and same thing we can do the 16. Means whatever, for example, you are responsibility system administrator, right? So same administrator responsibility you can do in 2012 also, 2016 also, 2019 also. Understand? Server administrator, you are administrator, so same responsibility you have to do in 2008, 2012 also, 2016 also. Okay,
And 2019.
19 also. Okay,
So what
so
is the difference between 2016 and 2019?
2019.
Difference. Yes.
Okay, so first we are understand the 2012 and 16, then we will discuss 16 and 19. Okay,
Okay. It's
because
a major difference, just like this 2000 command, 2008 and 2012 have 2002 2008 in 200 command and 2012 with 2000
2000, yes.
and command. So just like this is a big
No,
difference.
not command. Extra thing, because is 2012 is not supported to much storage, but here 2016 is support to huge storage. It is not support to
Okay.
much cloud. Okay, so many server. Cloud means you can't configure the thousands or hundreds of servers in the 2000 virtual servers, but in 2016 support to more than virtual server. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, that is the reason I'm telling the explain in when we discuss about the virtualization each and every. So, clear? What is the point?
Sir, what is the
Yes,
three points? System administrations, virtualizations, and third one.
स्टोरेज भी बोले थे.
What did you
Storage.
say that storage? Yes, yes. Okay, storage.
Okay. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, shall we start Active Directory?
Of course, sir. We are waiting for this Active Directory.
Because only 10 minutes is left. Okay.
We
So
heard to this word a lots of time.
lot of time. Because it's like the place of human head. Same like that in the MCSC, the place of the Active Directory is like a head. Without kidney, you can live. Without hand, without eyes, without teeth, you can live. But without head, nobody can live. Okay. Same like the Active Directory. Without Active Directory, there is no MCSC. Means there is no system administration. So is okay. So first, what is the Active Directory? Interview question. What is the Active Directory? So Active Directory is a centralized database service. It can store the user information, computer information, network resources information. Got the point? So I will give the notes. Everything notes is available. So yeah, if you want to write, so no problem, you can write. Okay, I will explain. Active Directory. What is the Active Directory? So Active Directory is a storage. Active Directory centralized storage. Store the information, and you can say whatever is a centralized storage which can store users, computer, network resources information. It can contain. Anyone? Yes. Anyone can say what is Active Directory? Mr. Usman, Mr. Amjad.
Sir, it's a centralized database where we store
Database
users
service, sir.
yeah,
Database
centralized
service.
database service where we use all the users and network resources and all the services that we are going to give to the client.
Simple. How to memorize? Simple logic. Simple. Company. How the people are working, that is called employee, right? Company employee, right?
Yes.
So here we can say the users. Employee is nothing but users. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Everybody. Company. Company में कौन काम करेंगे? Employee, right? So here we call employee to users. Where they do the work? On system, right? Here we call computers, right? And what they are using? Resources. When the employee is there, so we have to provide the resources also, fan, table, all these things, right? We need to provide, right? So here in the network, whatever the requirement, we need to provide. Money storage, we need to provide. Printer, we need to provide. Scanner, we need to provide, right? So these all are resources. Network resources, okay, computers. So Active Directory is a centralized database service. It can store the information, user information, computer information, network resources information. Clear? Simple. Hello, got the idea?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Can you tell one second, sir?
Active Directory is a centralized database service. It can contain users, computers, and network resources information. अब इसको याद कैसा करेंगे? How you can memorize? So that is the reason. Simple way, in the company, employee is nothing but users, right? They are working on the system. System is nothing but computers, right? And they are using the resources. Nothing resources is nothing but printer, scanner. This all called network resources. So Active Directory is a database service. It can contain is information, user information, computer information, network resources information. Khalas.
Yes, sir. I got it.
What is the point?
Very well.
That is the Active Directory. What is the Active Directory? Centralized database service. It can contain information, all users, computers, and network resources. Okay. What is the purpose of the Active Directory? So everybody have the purpose, right? Light also have the purpose to provide the light. Fan also to provide the air, right? So monitor to screen. So everybody have the purpose of life, right? Even human also have the purpose of the life, right? To worship of God, to worship of Allah, right? So everybody have the purpose of, but what is the purpose of the Active Directory? So Active Directory purpose, one is manage. Manage to whom? Users, computers, and network resources. Got the point? First purpose. Second purpose, user login authentication. Authentication. Purpose. Understand? Riaz is there?
Yes, sir.
Riaz, tell me, what is the purpose of the Active Directory?
Sir, like users, computers, net resources, login authentication.
Manage, no, only two. Manage and user login authentication. Manage.
Okay.
So what is the manage? Manage to whom? Manage to users, manage to computer, manage to network resources.
Okay.
Clear? User login authentication. User login authentication. What is mean by user login authentication? Means credential, user credential.
Yeah, we want to make sure that the correct the authorized
person,
user
yes.
is using the computer.
Yes.
We want to protect it from unauthorized access. So that's why we are going with
Yes,
authentication.
user login authentication. Right. Manage purpose, Active Directory have services. Services, okay. What are the services? All services. Previous we discussed DHCP, DNS, iVideo, okay, Windows deployment service, Windows software deployment service, okay. So FTP, NNTP, whatever, okay. So that all are services to manage, like that authentication, how to access, create the user, how to delete the user. All these things is services we have, right? Active Directory have the services. But authentication purpose, user login authentication purpose, see here, I give the one example. Remember that one. Keep in mind, Active Directory can manage and can do everything, but personally Active Directory can't do anything. But Active Directory do everything. Usman, can you repeat what I said just now?
Yes, sir. Active Directory itself cannot do anything, but the kind of.
But it will do everything.
Yeah, it will do everything. But as per the commands or as per the instructions that we give to it,
no,
it's like we are.
Yes. For example, for example, Usman. Sorry for this. For example, for Usman is a company manager, right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose company management, inshallah. Company manager.
Yes, sir.
So what is the responsibility? to take care of the employee,
Yeah.
arrange the meeting, right? If foreigners, people, delegates is come, so take care of them, right? And clean the office, right? And take care of the receptions. Okay, who those people are. So these are the responsibility to take care of the all company, right? But Usman manually can't do anything, right? Oh, I have responsibility, I need to do. So 4 o'clock he'll come to the company and sweep the all company and clean the tables, chair, computers, right? And 10 to 2 p.m. he's sitting on the reception, right?
No,
And 7 to 8 he's arranging the meeting. Not like that. Usman can't do anything, right?
yes, sir.
But Usman do the everything. How? Because Usman, his responsibility divide to different people,
Different. Yes, sir.
and he's control to that person.
Yes.
For reception, so he's sitting the one person, right? He's assigned to appointment to one person, and Usman is control to that guy, right? Reception. Okay. Same like
Yes.
that, arrange the meeting one person, right? And sweep means cleaning one person, right? So Usman is kept and arrange the person. So these multiple people, right? And he's controlling, right? So what the benefit Usman will get? So easily he can manage, right? Whole company. Otherwise he can't manage. He want to do itself. So he can't run, he can't manage the company. Got the point? You see each and everything in our life, this is the things. Okay.
Yes, sir. With this example, we are able to understand, sir. Thank you.
Yes, got the point. So
Yes, sir.
Active Directory is not do anything, but Active Directory do everything. So that is the reason Active Directory have the services. So multiple things is divided, right? So his own work is divided to different services. Hello, FTP, you can do this one. Hello, DHCP, you can do this one. Hello, DNS, you have to do this one, right? Hello, WDS service, you have to do this one. But who will going to control? Active Directory is going to control.
Yes.
Got the point?
Yes.
And same like that, user login authentication purpose, user login, Active Directory is not sitting on the door, not standing at the door. Hello, which person is coming, which person is going. Active Directory is not check. So who will check? Kerberos protocol. Kerberos protocol version 5. So it's like a security guard of the Active Directory, but we can say control protocol, Kerberos protocol. Okay, so this is nothing but authentication purpose, is a security guard, right? Security person who will check and each and every authentication. Hello, you are, oh, this is belong to this domain or not, this belong to this company or not. Okay, so that is who will check? Kerberos protocol, and this Kerberos protocol under Active Directory. Who's going to control this Kerberos protocol? Active Directory. Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Clear? So user login authentication purpose, Active Directory use the Kerberos protocol version 5. Okay, but in Windows, this is called KDC, Kerberos Domain Controller. This Kerberos protocol is available in Linux also, Unix also, different operating system, Kerberos. But in Windows, Kerberos is called KDC, Kerberos Domain Controller. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got the point?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
what is the Active Directory? What is the purpose of the Active Directory, right? Two things. So what is purpose is manage. To whom to manage? User, computer, network resources. Okay. How it will be managed? With the help of services. User login authentication purpose, Kerberos protocol have the Kerberos, right? But is only for local authentication. Okay, local authentication purpose only. So what is the local authentication purpose? Okay, I think maybe time is ours. Time
Yes, sir, but
4:30.
can be done to Active Directory today.
Active Directory is take the 2 days. Active Directory. Okay, so KDC, just I will finish this one. Only give you 2, 3 to 5 minutes, maximum 5 minutes. Okay, so after that we will finish to continue inshallah to next class. Okay, so Active Directory local, Kerberos is a, just I explained this one and next. So it's local means, for example, Usman is configuring the company, right? So Usman have in that branch office for Mehdipatnam branch office, right? So Usman have the Mehdipatnam branch. How many clients? Maybe 200 clients, right? Same like that branch we have in different location, Bangalore location, Kurnool location, and Warangal location. Okay, got the point. But this user, Usman branch office user, can log on and connect to the server. So Kerberos only see this, only this user, Usman branch office. That is the local. Got the point?
Means
Kerberos,
within the same campus, like
yes, within the same
in-
campus, within the same domain, Kerberos protocol. I'm talking about the Kerberos protocol,
yes,
not
sir.
Active Directory. Kerberos protocol.
Yes,
But
sir.
but with the internet, for example, you are open the Amazon account, right? So Amazon server is different, right? Your bank server is different, and you are sitting in the laptop and your system, that network is different, totally different, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So when you buy something from the Amazon, right? When you buy the something from Amazon, so you have to provide your credential, means bank credential, right? And who's going to check your
Amazon.
bank information is correct or not? So Amazon sent to the bank, right? And bank server is authenticate, yes, is genuine. So that time Amazon detect the money and transfer, right?
Yes.
Got the point? So this is not your local, means Usman branch office, right? Is not a Usman branch office, right? It's totally different.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that time Active Directory use another protocol help, right? Same like that, right? If Usman want to go to the Bangalore, I want to send some parcel to Usman, right? Usman, tomorrow you are going to Bangalore, so please, this is the parcel to hand over to my friend. My friend is staying in the Bangalore, right? So that time Usman said, what you said, Usman?
I have to deliver it, sir.
Yes, yes, of course. So no problem. Okay, because I'm going to Bangalore. Okay, so
Yes.
no problem. Your friend also in the Bangalore, so I can. But same thing, you are not going to Saudi, Dubai, and Canada, right? You're not going. But I said, Usman, previous you deliver my parcel to Bangalore. So now my friend is in Canada. So can you send the, can you take this and forward to my friend? So that time what you said?
No, it's not possible, we say that.
So not possible. But that time, if I give the passport, if I give the visa, if I give the plane, helicopter or plane, so that time I will say the same thing. So that time what you will do?
Yes, we can definitely move, sir. We can proceed for the work.
Got the point?
Yes.
So here Active Directory, so previous Kerberos protocol in same place, same domain, so no need. But here is different, right? So we need to take the another protocols for authentication purpose, right? Got the point?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So Active Directory taking the some other protocols, okay, authentication purpose, okay. Same like that, if you install the another application, means server is running Exchange server or data server, Oracle server, okay, SAP server, right? So that user also is available, right? Oracle user, SAP user, right? Exchange user, right? But authentication only Active Directory. Who will check authentication? This user is not only Active Directory, not Exchange server, not Oracle, not SAP. User authentication only, because that is the reason it's called centralized software, administrator software, centralized. So whatever application you can install, the authentication is goes to the Active Directory. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Exactly.
that is the reason. This is the protocol is different, means database is different, Exchange database is different, Active Directory database is different, right? So how they communicate? So Active Directory want to communicate with anybody, so Active Directory use the protocol. Okay, so what are that protocol, DAB, LDAB, and what are the communication protocol? So we will discuss inshallah tomorrow,
Okay, sir.
next class. Okay,
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Alhamdulillah.
Active Directory database is, what is the Active Directory database folder? NTDS folder. This is the folder of database. Active Directory database, NTDS. Already we discussed that time, right? So all information, Active Directory database information is stored in NTDS, New Technology Directory Service. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So first, what is that Active Directory? So what is the purpose of the Active Directory? What is the database storage folder? Active Directory database folder. We've discussed three things. Okay. So what are the protocol and what are the protocol for communication, Active Directory use, we will discuss inshallah. And next class, we will discuss Active Directory partition also, and Active Directory, structure, how you look like, because in the maximum people, when we are seen in Yahoo Messenger, we say how you look like they're sending, right? So my hair, you are described, right, Usman? My hair, this one, this color, my eyes, this color, right? You are going to describe, right?
Okay.
So here also we need to describe the Active Directory. How is the structure of the Active Directory, right? So physical and logical, right? So physical, Usman, is like this. Okay, logical, right?
Yes, sir.
The behavior,
Yeah,
okay, that is not all these things. So we are different. So that
Yeah.
time we can same like that. We need to explain the Active Directory structure. Okay, so inshallah next class we will discuss Active Directory partition and structure and protocols, and next after that we will see the how to installation. So that time we will start the labs. Okay, inshallah after that continue the labs and theory. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Anybody?
Thank
Any doubt? Everyone? Mr. Amir, do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Clear? Okay. Okay. See you guys, inshallah, next class. Till that time, take care of
Sir.
yourself.
Thank
Yes,
you.
yes, sir.
Thank
Tell
you.
me.
One more.
Yeah.
I again request you, before starting the tomorrow's class, please brush up this Active Directory part, and we'll start it again.
Yes, yes, yes. Obviously. Okay, inshallah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, right, thank you.